Now this is gonna be a real ice cream cone. Whoa, look how much there is. I don't know how to eat all this. Although, who am I kidding? I totally know how. First, I'm gonna lick on this side. Yum. Then I'm gonna lick it from this side. This is so delicious. She's so greedy. Hey, who turned on the air conditioner? Why is it so cold? Bella, what's wrong with you? That's what you get for being greedy. Hey, you're kind of scaring me. Are you gonna be frozen forever? Bella, hey, wake up. Bella, melt already. Maybe a blanket will warm you up? Oh wow, thanks, Kate. I'm much warmer now. Whew, I was already getting scared.